Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Down by the riverside, where the ganja grow, all my Jah leaves, moving nice and slow. The sun and the sun, he works all day, singing his tunes. Let the music play. Old man Jah, with his straw hat low, tends to the plants where the green fields glow. He's known in the town as the Ganja King. People say these herbs make your soul sing. Yeah man, one day a stranger from the city did come, looking to make deals under the sun. He offered Jah money, a big old stack, but Jah just laughed and turned his back. Ay, ay, ay. Down by the riverside, where the ganja grow, old man Jah leaves, moving nice and slow, with the sun and the salt. He works all day, singing his tunes. Let the music play. The stranger got angry, shouted and swore, but just stayed calm, like he'd seen it before. He said, "Me friend, this herb ain't for greed. It's medicine, love. That's all we need." We shared a story from days long past of how the ganja seed was meant to last. Me father taught me, me mother too. In the earth we find the truth. Oh, Jah's wisdom, pure as the breeze. In every leaf there's a tale of peace. The stranger bowed down, humbled by grace. In Jah's green field he found his place. Yeah, 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 yeah. Down by the riverside, where the ganja grow, old man Jah leaves, moving nice and slow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, give me the sweat cup. Yeah, man, another hot day. Yeah, man, in the vibes of Jah, we rise up, we fight, we love. Babylon won't hold we down, but we too strong. Stand firm, my people. Babylon won't hold we down, but we too strong. Stand firm, my people. Roots of freedom grow in the soil of love. We lift our hearts to Jah above. No chains can hold, no lies can bind. In the light of truth, we free our mind. Them say we weak, but we strong like a lion. Them try to stop we, but Jah is Zion. Every youth in a street, hear the rebel call. Stand up tall, we not bow at all. Them system wicked, but we have the cure. Righteous vibes make the spirit pure. Roots of freedom grow in the soil of love. We lift our hearts to Jah above. No chains can hold, no lies can bind. In the light of truth, we free our mind. plan. No more oppression, freedom for every man. Oh, feel the vibes in the air. Love and unity everywhere. Oh, no more pain, no more fear. Jah Jah guide we, Jah Jah near. Roots of freedom grow in the soil of love. We lift our hearts to Jah above. No chains can hold, no lies can bind. In the light of truth, we free our mind. Yeah, man, we rise again, stronger than ever before. The fire in our heart, the love in our soul. Babylon, your time done. Selah.
Take a book, herb and Jah Jah blessing. We feel the love, no second guessing. Ganja flow through me veins, me confessing. Life is a test, but me pass the lesson. Me inhale the smoke, me exhale the stress. Me spirit connect with the herbs no less. Jah bless the righteous, no need fi impress. Me heart full of joy, me life a progress. Me like the spliff, me rise above the pain. Me reach to the sky, me rise from the rain. The world may fall, but me remain. Herb and Jah, me life is sustained. Me roll the kush, me feel the breeze. Me meditate state, me find the peace. Me spirit at ease, me mind sees. Herb feel me soul, Jah's love never decrease. Me take a book, herb and Jah Jah blessing. Me feel the love, no second guessing. Ganja flow through me veins, me confessing. Life is a test, but me pass the lesson. Me walk through the fire, me rise through the flame. Me move on the road, me no play the game. Herb in me hand, me steady the same. Me rising at the struggle, me never feel shame. Me like the way, me pass the test. Me stay true, me give me best. Herb and Jah, me spirit manifest. Me rise on the road, me feel the bless. Take a book, herb and Jah Jah blessing. Me feel the love, no second guessing. Ganja flow through me veins, me confessing. Life is a test, but me pass the lesson.
Way breezy, everything's right. Juma, humba, laughter in the air, but I been the one no worries, no care. Luba shimmy sway to the beat, but I been yeah man can't be beat. Me move, hoorah, shua, inna the groove, but I been ooh, feel the move. Duba, zip it, easy like breeze, but I been yeah man just feel at ease. Bada bing woo woo, feel the move. Duba, zip it, easy like breeze. Bada bing, yeah man, just feel at ease. Way. Babylon the thief, my herb. Science story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Science story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Long time ago, in a the rugged hills, Rasta man rise with Jah Jah will. Him plant the herb, we heal the land. A true lion warrior stand strong and grand. Babylon come with them soldier train, but the herbs still grow and we feel no pain. With blue dream lighting up the night, him chant Jah words till the morning bright. Science story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. The Rasta king, him wise and bold. Him spirit can't buy, can't take nor soul. Him say Babylon system, time fi fall. One love for the world, equal rights for all. The chalice place, him vision clear. Him show with the path, make the truths appear. Them can't stop the wave, Jah Jah plan supreme. We live for the herb, we live for the dream. Science story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Science story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. So hear the chant, the Rasta call. Zion rise higher, Babylon
can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Science story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Science story.
Me light the herb, me feel the rise. Me take a puff, me reach the skies. Me chant for the vibes, me chant for the sound. Me rise above, me never come down. Me pass the chalice, me feel the heat. Me chant the rhythm, me move the feet. Me smoke the green, me feel the flow. Me rise through the night, me let the smoke go. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me step in at the circle, me feel the vibes. Me light the spliff, me rise na strides. Me pass the herb, me pass the flame. Me chant the rhythm, me call the name. Me move in the smoke, me free in the fire. Me chant for the peace, me never tire. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the grace. Me rise above, me find my place. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me pass the chalice, me feel the peace. Me smoke the herb, me feel the release. Me rise to the heavens, me feel the light. Me chant for the herb, me free from the fight. Me light the fire, me feel the heat. Me pass the chalice, me take a seat. Me blaze the green, me move in the flow. Me chant for the herb, me let it show. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me rise so high. Me blaze the green, me touch the sky. Me feel the vibes, me chant the song. Me live for the herb, me live for the long. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me rise so high. Me blaze the green, me touch the sky. Me feel the vibes, me chant the song. Me live for the herb, me live for the long. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me rise so high. Me blaze the green, me touch the sky. Me feel the vibes, me chant the song. Me live for the herb, me live for the long. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free.
Zion echo. Ay ay ay, Stasi, Gandurasi. Smoke a rice, it touch the moon. Meditation deep, the rhythm tune. The herb I teach me, me soul it fly. Babylon can't stop, Jah herb so high. Herbal wisdom, it open me mind. Jah blessing flow, it's so divine. The leaf of feeling, the ancient truth. Rasta learn love from the herb of youth. Light it up, feel Jah power strong. The herb make me chant the righteous song. No hate, no war, no wicked plan. The herb unite each woman
Jah light show. The herb guide the way wherever we go. Herbal wisdom, the key to peace. With Jah blessing, the love increase. Herbal wisdom, it open me mind. Jah blessing flow, it's so divine. The leaf of feeling, the ancient truth. Rasta learn love from the herb of youth. Herbal wisdom, it open me mind. Jah blessing flow, it's so divine. The leaf of feeling, the ancient truth. Rasta learn love from the herb of youth. The herb of youth. Then to take past me with this bless from your sign. Oh yeah, it's Jah make whole. Ay ay ay, stasik, gandorasic.
Zion roots. Them feed we screen, but starve we mind. Control the soul, blind lead blind, but fire still blazing at the core. Ancient knowledge, kick down door. Wake up my people, rub off sleep. Them got you dreaming while you sink deep. You scrolling life, you swipe your fate. Them own your time, them own your gate. The youth a chant in a digital cell. Them like them posts, but heart can't tell. Jah give we more than just two eyes. We vision stretch beyond them lies. Them build them trap with plastic smile. We born royalty, them treat like file. Me nah accept barcode as name. Me born in spirit, me born for flame. Digital chains can't bind me soul. Me come fi mash up every control. From roots to sky, me voice go higher. Me chant with ancient, eternal fire. Echoes of Zion in a every line. Freedom encoded in divine. Me not comply, me not consume. Me grow in sun, me not resume. We not subscribe to mental jail. Them Wi-Fi block, but Jah prevail. The signal strong from the mountain top. Ancestors guide every drop. Me hear the drum in a raindrop fall. Me hear it bounce off concrete wall. While system sell, distraction blend. Me bring reminder that truth not bend. Me see them live for numbers and fame, but me chant love, me chant real name. Me not plug into artificial mind. Me roots too deep, me soul too kind. Them mass control as convenience tool, but me not join them virtual school. Me rather reason on the moon with elders playing a bingy tune. Them take your face, them take your voice, but heart still beat with ancient choice. Them deep fake truth manipulate sky, but Jah sun still blaze, still high. Me nah go follow algorithm king. Me sing him truth, let the freedom ring. Me voice rise up in every land with staff of peace in a me hand. Digital chains can bind. Zion echoes. Ay, ay, ay. The sun arise, me feel the vibe. The Herbal Life, Jah bless my life.
Me step on the earth, me feel so free.
Jah Jah guide me from land to sea.
Me and the crew, we chant your name.
The morning group and the leaves so green.
The world wake up, me soul so clean.
Me take a puff, me mind so high. Me look to the mountains, reach the sky. The birds are sing, the reggae play. Me heart a beat to the Rasta way. Me no worry, me no fret, me no stress. Jah guide me path, me always bless. Freedom chant, the vibes are pure. Rasta man sing, the heart secure. We lift the spirit, we rise so high. Jah love a shine, like stars in the sky. Freedom chant, the herb a blazing and the reggae groove. We give Jah praise, we chant for love, we chant for peace in the music. The trouble cease. We see the people, them gather round. The drum a beat, the heavy sound. The youth a dance, the elders smile. Reggae music make we unite for a while. Mr. Jah bless my brethren, Jah bless my sister. The fire burn bright, the love it begin. No Babylon, no chains we hold we down. We rise up strong, like king with the crown. Freedom chant, the vibes so pure. Rasta man sing, the heart secure. We lift the spirit, we rise so high. Jah love a shine, like stars in the sky. Freedom chant, the herb a blazing and the reggae groove. We give Jah praise, we chant for love, we chant for peace in the music. The trouble cease. Under the stars, the firelight bright. Me feel Jah presence in the cool night. The rhythm a guide me, the bassline strong. My soul a dance, me sing Jah song. We chant the songs, we chant the truth. In the power of the music, me find me youth. The herb smoke rise, the spirit set free. In the love of Jah, me find me destiny. Freedom chant, the vibes are pure. Rasta man sing, the heart secure. We lift the spirit, we rise so high. Jah love a shine, like stars in the sky. Freedom chant, the herb a blazing and the reggae groove. We give Jah praise, we chant for love, we chant for peace in the music. The trouble cease. Me walk the road, me face the sun. The journey long, but the battle won. Me feel the love, the spirit, the joy. Reggae sound that lift me. Me feel so high, so me Jah bless the people, Jah bless the earth in the reggae vibe. Me find me words, freedom chant. The sound so sweet in the arms of Jah. Me find me beats, 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 beats. Footsteps echo in the morning light. March of the free, rise we fight. No headline show it, no newscast play. But the people rise anyway. Me not born fi follow, me born fi lead. Me voice a fire, me word a seed. Them build system from fear and lie, but truth still rise like morning sky. City full of code, full of chain. Them program youth fi chase in vain. But me say knowledge are the true defense. More than wall or high expense. Me chant fi the silent, fi the unheard, fi the youth who can't find them word. Me step steady in a ancient style, with barefoot wisdom and just smile. This a the march of the free. No chain hold me destiny. We chant, we move, we grow. Riddim lead wherever we go. Me granny tell me, speak your truth. Don't lose soul, the glitter youth. Me carry that like sacred scroll. Me vice a bridge, me aim is whole. Babylon push fear like wine, but we drink roots from Jah vine. We nah need a power machine to feel what love and freedom mean. Me no beg, me no bow, me live in truth, me chant it now.
With every step, my spirit rise, like sun a break through cloudy skies. This are the march of the free. No chain hold me destiny. We chant, we move, we grow. Riddim lead wherever we go. So if you feel that fire inside, don't let them hush it, don't let it hide. March with love, march with flame, and chant Jah holy name.
Yeah, man. Roots inna the earth, me heart inna the sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots inna the earth, me spirit fly. Me born from the earth, me soul so deep. Me rise from the soil, I never sleep. Me roots grow strong, me promise to keep. Herb inna me heart, me soul it steep. Step inna the world, me walk the line. Me rise inna Jah name, me know the divine. Me roots inna the soil, me life a design. Me walk with pride, me rise in due time. Me feel the strength of the earth and the fire. Me step steady, me never tire. Me roots inna the earth, me take me desire. Me soul full of Jah's love, me rise higher. Roots inna the earth, me heart inna the sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots inna the earth, me spirit fly. Me born inna the soil, me born inna the dirt. Me rise with the blessings, me never hurt. Me trust inna Jah, I know the words. Me roots inna the earth, me keep me birth. Me face the pressure, me face the storm, but me roots hold strong. The spirit warm, me rise from the ground. Me keep me firm, me roots inna the earth. Me rise and transform. Me feel the connection, me feel the strength. Me roots deep inna the earth. Me go the length, me carry the power, me carry the breath. Me rise in Jah's name, me soul a full extent. Roots inna the earth, me heart inna the sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots inna the earth, me spirit fly. Spirit fly, yeah man. Roots inna the earth, me heart inna the sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots inna the earth, me spirit fly. Spirit fly, yeah man. Roots inna the earth, me heart inna the sky.
Sunshine pan Mama Africa. Golden light bless up the land so spectacular. Me and the ancestors' voice in a deep breeze. Them whisper wisdom, them set we free. The drum them a beat heart strong in me chest. A Jah guide me, me know me bless. spirit of freedom, it never go die. Me see it in the people, me see it in the sky. Me walk through the market, the vendors, them smile. Despite all the struggles, them stay versatile. The children a laugh, the elders them teach. We spread Jah love, we practice, we preach. Them can't erase the history deep. The ancestors' voice in our sleep. We wake up strong, we rise up bold. We tell the story, we make it unfold. Me chant down oppression, me chant down hate. We march for the future, we change, we fate. The fire still burn, the message stay true. Africa rise up, the time brand new. Rising sun over Africa, light up the way. The lion them roar, the warriors stay. We fight for the truth, we break the chain. Jah Jah blessings fall like rain. Me travel the road from Kingston town. Me feel the connection, me feel the sound. The drum them echo, the message spread. The past still guide we move ahead. Me see the farmers, them work the field. Jah bless the crops, Jah bless the yield. The roots them deep, the land still strong. We hold the faith, we chant Jah song. No longer divided, we stand as one. We see the future, we see the sun. No chain can hold we, no system break. The spirit of Africa never forsake. The school them full, the children learn. We take back knowledge, the tables turn. The leaders rise, the voice is loud. We break the silence, we make Jah proud. Me see the mothers, them hold the child. We teach them peace, we teach them style. We no need no war, we no need no gun. We only need love, we only need sun. The mountain call. Yeah, yeah, Zion roots. Oh, empire born yet them still pretend. Build walls while it's soul them bend. But roots run deeper than concrete lie. And flame of truth can't ever die. Me walk to the ruin of Golden Gate. Them promise future, deliver hate. The sky look rich, but air feel poor. Them rule with screen, but not secure. Them wear suits made of broken word. Them voice loud, but heart unheard. Me see them praise money, call it God. But just sit higher, ride every rod. Youth cry out for something real. Them tired of fake, them tired of steal. Me bring the fire, me bring the spark. Feel light up Babylon when night too dark. Ashes of the empire fall, but we standing tall through it all. Them system crash, we spirit rise. We chant for truth beneath the lies. Them build high, but them falling fast. Roots reggae sound in the blast. Me not bow to silver or gold. Me voice echo what ancients told. We not play pawn in them chessboard trap. Me not join army fi island map. We soldier of love, we march for peace. Till every false kingdom cease. Them change history with edited page. But we memory older than cage. From Nubian sands to Maroon hills. We chant redemption, we chant Jah will. Them lack food, them lack rain. Then sell it back for corporate gain. But Mama Earth still got the cure. If we live natural, simple and pure. Me see revolution in the farmer hand. In the barefoot youth who overstand. We not need no crown or chain. We just need roots in sun and rain. Burn them empire that feed off war. Me see Zion rise from every scar. Fire in the eye, drum in the chest. We not stop till we manifest. Ashes of the empire fall, but we standing tall through it all. Them system crash, we spirit rise. We chant for truth beneath the lies. them stretch so far. Under the guidance of Jah Holy Star, the elders chant, the wisdom flow. Jah Herb Legacy make the blessings grow. Them fight the herb, but Jah say bless. The ganja cure for the world's distress. Every seed I promise, every plant divine. Herb make the generations align. Jah Herb Legacy, the story live on from the ancient roots till the rising dawn. Pass the flame, let the circle unite. Jah Herb are the torch in the darkest night. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. Them try for ban it, them try for hide, but Jah Herb rise like the ocean tide. From the Rasta youth to the elders wise, the herb make the truth them can't disguise. Babylon tremble when the ganja spread. The herb make the living rise from dead. Every puff a prayer, every draw a song. Jah Herb Legacy keep we strong. Pass the chalice, let the wisdom glow. Jah Herb Legacy make the spirit grow. From the hills of Zion to the urban street, the herb make the art find Jah complete. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. So me praise Jah Herb till the end of time. Every leaf and bud are the gift divine. Jah Herb Legacy, it can't fade away. Rastafire blaze till the judgment day. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. So me praise Jah Herb till the end of time. Every leaf and bud are the gift divine. Jah Herb Legacy, it can't fade away. Rastafire blaze till the judgment day. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. So me praise Jah Herb till the end of time. Every leaf and bud are the gift divine. Jah Herb Legacy, it can't fade away. Rastafire blaze till the judgment day. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. So my praise. Me hear the roaring at the distance. Sound of a lion, not resistance. In a me chest it echo deep. Wake the warriors from them sleep. Me not trust the system talk. Too much trick when them smile and walk. Them feed with lies on shiny screen, but real life not so clean. Them say progress, but me see change. Them pave the road straight into pain. We dress for work, but mind feel cold. Can't sell soul for a bag of gold. Me say rise up youth with fire eyes. Don't get caught in them disguise. Put down the phone, pick up the book. Truth hiding corners, them never look. Echoes of the lion in a breeze, calling warriors out of ease. This a no game, this a real time war. Free your mind, open your door. Riddim run like river flow. Heartbeat fast, mind must grow. Echoes of the lion call we home. From Babylon trap to Zion throne. Me see Babylon mass with color bright, but behind the paint, it can't hide night. Me now want riches if it come with chain. Me want joy, not disguise pain. Them want we silent, but me voice blaze. Me chant in a streets, me chant in a cave. Me speak for the ones who can't be seen. Me write for the soul trapped in machine. System teach you how fi obey, but never how fi truly pray. Me say meditation over medication, reparation through vibration. Them call we rebel, but me call it wise. Me say Jah rule, them full of lies. Me no fear, them digital eye. Me soul can't plug in, can't comply. Roots run deep, far from hype. Me chant truth like thunder strike. Lion heart can't be tamed. Me spirit flame can't be named. Echoes of the lion in a breeze, calling warriors out of ease. This a no game, this a real time war. Free your mind, open your door. Riddim run like river flow. Heartbeat fast, mind must grow. Echoes of the lion call we home, from Babylon trap to Zion throne. So if you hear the call at night, don't turn away, don't dim your light. Stand tall, step out of line. Lion voice echo in a every sign. Riddim of life, it's a place so sweet. Every heartbeat, it's a move me feet. Jah guide the melody, make the vibes complete. The song of life, we are trod on repeat. For every rise and fall, the rhythm stay true. Through the darkest times, Jah make we renew. The drums of creation, them beat for you. The rhythm of life, it a carry with you. Oh Jah, the rhythm a guide me way. Make me strong in the night and day. Through the valleys low and the mountains gray. Riddim of life, Jah words we say. Riddim of life, Jah make it flow. Through the highs and lows, Jah blessing show. The song of creation, it make we grow. Riddim of life, the truth we know. The bassline deep like the ocean wide. Jah love in the rhythm, we can't hide. The melody sweet, it a touch we inside. The rhythm of life, the spirit a guide. Them can't stop the vibes where Jah provide. It a carry with you like a holy tide. For every soul, the rhythm collide. With Jah music, we always abide. Oh Jah, the harmony true and divine. For the hearts where broken, it realign. The rhythm of life, it a make we shine. Jah love eternal, it can't decline. For every youth, the rhythm a teach. For every soul, it a try fi reach. Through the darkness, the light we preach. The rhythm of life, Jah message speech. The song of life, it a never end. The vibes of Jah, it a transcend. The rhythm of life, Jah a defend. With love and peace, Jah spirit send. Rhythm of life, it a always play. Inna the night, inna the bright of day. The melody of Jah, it can't betray. Rhythm of life, Jah words we say. Zion echoes. Them want see we fall, but we stand up strong. Rasta never shake, we are chant all along. Them can't break the bond, the roots too deep. Jah guide me step, me soul not sleep. Them set up trap, but me jump them gate. Jah Jah show me love, me nah no hate. Fire in me heart, it a burn so bright. Truth and rights, me defend them right. Lion a roar, we nah back down. Jah light shine when the night come round. We tried it strong, now we're no frown. Babylon shake, them kingdom drown. Me see the wicked, them plan and scheme. Try to lock we out, try stop we dream. But Jah open door, Jah bless the team. Selassie I rule, the truth redeem. Chalice ablaze, wisdom elevate. Me hold Jah words, me meditate. The journey long, but me never late. Rasta trodden, me hold me faith. Sound the drum, make the trumpet blow. Rasta rise up, make the whole world know. Zion calling, feel Jah flow. No more war, let love just grow. Them control system, them tell pure lie. But truth a shine, it can't deny. Youth them rise, them spirit fly. No more sufferation, dry your eye. Lion a roar, we not back down. Jah light shine when the night come round. We tried it strong, now we're no frown. Babylon shake, them kingdom drown. The ghetto youth tired of hunger and pain. Still the struggle real, but we rise again. Jah never fail, Jah break the chain. Me hold the faith, me walk again. Righteous soldier, me nah retreat. Drums a beat when me step on street. Every revolution start with speech. Me chant the psalms, the message reach. No more pressure, no more fight. No more darkness, Jah bring the light. No more hatred, love ignite. Rasta live up, stand upright. Me trod in a Zion, me soul feel free. Jah carry me through, Jah set me free. Babylon walls, them crumble and flee. Rasta chant loud, victory. Lion a roar, we not back down. Jah light shine when the night come round. We tried it strong, now we're no frown. Babylon shake, them kingdom drown. Jah Jah guide me, me walk the way. Every morning, me kneel and pray. No matter the try. The earth tremble, but my spirit stay still. Jah's love protect me, shield me will. Them said the world dark, but me see the light. A spark of hope in the longest night. From the ashes, new life emerge. Jah rise again with the morning surge. Me chant, me praise, let the world them know. Through Jah's mercy, every blessing flow. Jah rise again in every heart. From the dawn's first light, a brand new start. Through the trials and pain, we rise above. Guided by Jah's unending love. Them build the walls, but them can't divide. Jah's children stand firm, side by side. Me see the signs in the sky so clear. Jah's redemption drawing near. The rivers whisper, the trees them sing. Creation rejoice under Jah's wing. With every sunrise, my spirit renew. The promise of Jah always true. Jah rise again in every heart. From the dawn's first light, a brand new start. Through the trials and pain, we rise above. Guided by Jah's unending love. So let the trumpet sound, the victory song, the righteous path where we belong. One by one, the nations heal, Jah's power
make the future real. Me sing for the youth, me sing for the old. Jah story told in the truths we hold. With every beat of the drum me declare Jah's presence live, His love everywhere. The journey can't done, the mission too great. Jah's hand guide us, shaping the fate. In unity we chant, let the anthem spread. Jah rise again, the living from the dead. Jah rise again, in every heart. From the dawn's first light, a brand new start. Through the trials and pain, we rise above. Guided by Jah's unending love. Forever we sing, forever we praise. Under Jah's light, the path ablaze. Jah rise again, the eternal flame. Forever we honor His holy name.
The road rough, the journey long, but me keep treading, me spirit strong. The wicked are plot, but me can't fall. Jah Jah guide me, me stand tall. Me see lightning flash, me see the storm. The world a shake, the heart stay warm. Me see corruption, me see the lies, but me know the truth, me open me eyes. Them want me fail, them want me weak. Them set the trap, them want me sneak. But me hold Jah hand, me hear Him speak. Walk righteously, the humble meek. Jah guide me through the darkest night. Me keep me faith, me hold on tight. The fire burn, the spirit bright. Rasta know the way, me reach the height. Me wake up early, me give Jah praise. Me chant me psalms, me burn the craze. Me see the wicked, them lost in maze. Them chase the goal, them lost them days. Me see the youth, them caught in fear. Them lost them soul, them disappear. Them fight them brother, them fight them friend. But love are the key for the world to mend. Me walk pon the hill, me sight the sign. Me feel the presence, the love divine. Me kneel and pray, me know me fine. Jah lead the way, me see the shine. Rasta arise, the truth reveal. The world can't hide, the wounds must heal. The system shake, the chains them peel. Jah word at the sword, the spirit steel. Me see the leaders, full up of greed. Them plant the lies, them sow the seed. But the harvest come, them can't proceed. Jah judgment heavy, them feel the need. Them trick we mind, them twist the truth. Them poison food, them burn the root. But me still chant, me still recruit. Me lead the youth, pan righteous route. Me chant me song, me burn the pain. Me wash me soul in Jah Jah rain. The fire cleanse, the heart remain. The righteous walk, pan Zion lane. Jah guide me through, me can't get lost. Me hold me faith, no matter the cost. The road is rough, but me trod it fast. Jah kingdom come, the first is last. 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 Jah kingdom come, the first is last.